Ready to transform your Instagram stories from blah to brilliant? Let's dive into the easiest way to make photo collage right within your Instagram story using the built-in layout feature. First, open Instagram and tap the Your Story icon, then select the square icon with the grid in the bottom left corner. This is the layout option. Now you'll see a grid of layout options. There are a bunch of layouts for you to choose from to create your collage. Tap on one to select it. You will be able to see photo previews in a small, clear picture to preview the selected layout. Next, tap on each of the photo cells. A small camera icon should appear. This takes you to your camera roll. Select the photos you want to include in your collage. One at a time, you will see your chosen photos populate the layout. With your photos added, you can now adjust them within each cell by dragging to zoom in or out. You can tap the layout button again to find a new layout to place your photos into. To make your collage even more engaging, add text, stickers, GIFs, or drawings. Use the options along the top to create captions, and add emojis and stickers. Personalize it. Finally, tap your story to share your awesome photo collage with your followers. You've successfully created a visually stunning story. Get creative and play around with the available features. That's it, you are ready to share your photo collage. Be sure to like this video and subscribe for more Instagram tips.